What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can export your private keys from your BullX integrated wallet to the Phantom wallet. Also, if you guys want to save up on trading fees, you can use my partner link from the description below to create a new account and get 10% lifetime trading fee discount. Now let's get started. So once you load up your BullX page, you will be on this default page right here under the new pairs section. So from here, just hover over this tab right here and go over to the wallet manager, the last option. Now, once you're in your wallet manager, here you will be able to see your main wallet. Now, if you try to get the secret phrase from this wallet, you won't be able to do that because this is your primary wallet. So what you need to do is just create a new wallet. And then once the new wallet is created, all you need to do is just get the secret recovery phrase from this wallet by clicking this private keys download right here. Then you would need to click download private key. Then you need to click I acknowledge that keys cannot be downloaded again and click done right here. Now from here what you need to do is open up your Phantom wallet. Now log in. And after you logged in into your Phantom wallet, you can go to the downloaded keys. They will be in a notepad form, so you can just open that notepad and just copy the keys. From there, open up your Phantom wallet again and go to your account right here. Now here you need to go on to the add/connect a wallet right here and select the option that says import private key right here. From here you need to name this wallet, so let's say BullX primary, and then paste over the private key right in this box right here. Now, once the private key is pasted over, all you need to do is just click import right here. And there we go. Now your wallet will be imported to BullX. But what you need to do next is just mark this wallet as primary. So make primary right here. Now, after you designated the new wallet as primary, all you need to do is transfer over the funds from the now secondary wallet that was previously our primary to this new wallet right here. And to do this, we need to go to our Phantom wallet right here. And now this is this wallet that we just made. So we need to copy our wallet address by going to receive and clicking this copy button right here. Now from here you need to add a new wallet under the withdrawals wallet section, so just click add wallet, select Solana as a network right here, and let's call this a new primary. And just paste over the copied address right here. Now once everything is set, you can click add new wallet. Now, because this is a withdrawal wallet, it will take about 3 hours to verify. And after 3 hours, all you need to do is just click withdraw and select the wallet that you added right here. But this is not the wallet that we added right now because the wallet is not yet verified. Now, once the wallet is verified, you would be able to select it as a withdrawal wallet. Now, once you withdraw your funds to that wallet, then if you want, you can archive this wallet right here. So that's guys how you can extract your seed phrase from your BullX primary wallet, the one integrated with BullX, and connect it to a Phantom wallet. If you found this video helpful and want to save up on fees, consider using my sign up link in the description below and get lifetime trading fee discount on BullX. Thank you for watching.